In this video, I will show you how to enable or turn on game mode on your Samsung Smart TV so you can enjoy the best picture and sound quality while playing games on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, as you can see over here, my PS5 console is currently being connected to my Samsung Smart TV. So to enable or turn on game mode on my Samsung Smart TV, what you want to do first and foremost is to just use your remote control to just navigate horizontally to the left hand side on your Samsung Smart TV until you get to the settings icon, which is this gear icon over here. Go ahead and select it just like so. And from the settings, you want to scroll down until you get to general. So go ahead and select general. Now the next thing you want to do is to scroll down until you get to external devices over here. Go ahead and select it, and from here you just want to scroll down and select game mode. Now once this is turned on, the picture and sound quality of your Samsung Smart TV will be well optimized for you to be able to enjoy gaming on your Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.